Today, I have a truly irresistible treat for you, the quickest and easiest Biscoff cheesecake you'll ever make. To start off, we will need some Biscoff crumble. Simply crush 1 packet of biscuits into fine crumbs. Next, we will move on to the creamy cheesecake filling. Beat 250 grams of cream cheese with 375 grams of condensed milk and 1 packet of crushed Biscoff biscuits until it's smooth and fluffy. Now spoon the biscuit crumb into a glass to form the base of our cheesecake. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Using a piping bag, pipe the cheesecake filling over the cookie crumble, making sure it's smooth and level. Next, drizzle a small amount of dulce de leche, otherwise known as caramel. Repeat these steps until the glass is full. For decoration, in a bowl, whisk 175 ml of heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of dulce de leche until it forms stiff peaks. And pipe it over the cheesecake. The more height, the better. Add some more biscuit crumble on top. And finish off with 1 more biscuit. No need to let it set, it is ready to eat now. So there you have it, the quickest Biscoff cheesecake. Enjoy!